One minute, clear skies. The next, the world shifts. Disasters don't come with a warning, they come with a purpose. To remind us of nature's strength and our need for resilience. Floods, fires, earthquakes. Nature's power is unpredictable, but your safety doesn't have to be. Preparedness isn't just a checklist. It's the difference between fear and confidence. Imagine knowing exactly what to do, where to go, and whom to call. Imagine protecting the people you care about, no matter what comes your way. Disasters remind us that we're strong together. Preparedness means staying calm, coming together, and acting when every second counts. You can't predict the storm, but you can be ready for it. Stay aware, stay resilient, be prepared.